Hey guys, so today we are going to learn about the singular and the plural forms in Telugu. So let's get started. Singular and plural in Telugu are known as Eka Vachanam and Bahu Vachanam. So let's see the classification. Eka Vachanam and Bahu Vachanam with their relevant examples. Eka Vachanam means singular in number. Mokka, which is a plant. Puvvu, which is a flower. Avu, Duda, which is a cow and its calf. Chepa, which is a fish. So all these are single in number, which means they are singular. Eka Vachanam. Bahu Vachanam, which is plural in number, that is more than one. So before seeing the relevant examples, there are 5 types wherein you can convert a singular word to a plural word. So let's have a look as to what are these 5 types. So the first type, adding lu to the last letter of the singular word. So initially I've shown you the singular word examples, that is mokka, puvvu, avu, chepa. Now we will add the lu term to the suffix of the singular words, thus converting a singular word to a plural word. Mokkalu, which are plants. Puvvulu, which are flowers. Avulu, which are cows. Chepalu, which are fishes. So just by adding the suffix lu to the singular word, you have converted a singular word to a plural word. Now let's go to the second type. Replacing the last letter uttu of the singular word with lavuttu. Chettu, chetlu. Chettu is a singular word, which is a tree. You have changed the ottu of the last letter to the lavuttu. That is chetlu, which means trees. Mettu, that is a step. Metlu, more than one step. That is steps. So I repeat, mettu means a step. Metlu means steps. The third type, substituting lu in the place of du letter of the singular word. Manavudu, which is a human being. Manavulu, which means more than one human being. So here you have replaced the suffix du with the suffix lu, thus changing a singular word to a plural word. Sainikudu, a soldier. Sainikulu, more than one soldier. Next type, substituting ru in the place of du letter of the singular word. Baludu, which means a boy. Baluru, a group of boys. Here, the suffix du is being replaced with the suffix ru, thus changing a singular word to a plural word. The last type, replacing the last letter of the singular word with lu. Devudu, single god. Devullu, more than one god. Here, the suffix du is being replaced with llu, devullu. Illu, which means a house. Illu, which means many houses or more than one. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned about the singular and the plural forms.